Subscribe to Niger's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Niger's Craziest does not add review of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, because close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Because that's what we did.
Comedians are absolutely insane. That means Igbo.
Once again, welcome to 2021. This is 2021 FS code. You want to pray for me?
I want to pray for you, you know.
Don't ever in your life put your hand on my even any no faster in this world I can allow to put his hand on my head. Never. The only people
What about Makande?
thunder fire him. The only people I can allow to put their hand on my head is my father and my mother.
See Zimbabwe can put his hand on your head.
God forbid, na your head he go put dirty concern.
Zimbabwe. You know that Zimbabwe is a man of native God. Sorry, man of God.
You see what you are saying?
Zimbabwe.
You don't even know who the man is. He's a self-proclaimed the rest.
Man of native gods.
I don't know.
Okay, hello guys, welcome to this episode. This episode is about Prophet Makandiwa.
Yep, it's a big response back to what has transpired, what has conspired, what has expired, what has justified between Jay Israel and Blessing. Bless you.
You have said blessing now, and ask me so that
I can say yeah.
blessing.
Oh, you done the stylishly they want to we like it again.
No. Let them watch. When they watch,
Watch please.
Age is very, very important. You have to mature first spiritually in the things of God.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Father.
That is why right now you can see a man of God whose wife probably has walked away from him, and he's a man of God. And you castigate him. You undermine him because you have no understanding. You have no understanding.
Yes, Father.
Who told you that if a person walks away from a man of God, it is always the man of God who is wrong? Didn't the devil walk away from God?
He did.
Lucifer.
He did.
God had to break away from his ministry. You must be mature enough to understand things, because what is going to bring you realization is maturity. And how do you know? The issue with I will touch the last group. Those that are mentally challenged. That's the last group. The immature, the problem with these last two groups is that there is no child that will ever realize that I'm acting like a child, because there is no child that is childish. There is no child that is childish.
Understood, Father.
So the problem with immaturity is that when you are immature, you have no way of realizing that what you are doing is immaturity. Are you following?
Yes.
You are feeling the impact that you are doing something. It's only the mature that can look and assess your work and say, oh,
Yeah.
this young girl, this young man is in trouble. He's still growing. He's yet to see the light of the day. And myself at that age, people had a certain respect and fear and honor that I was getting from people that I didn't deserve at that age. And I believed that I was so much anointed. But now, when you are mature, that's one of the reasons why I don't respond. You know, when your 6-year-old boy comes and he kicks you, it's not that pain that you can write home about. Mm-hmm. You can't put it in a book.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Father. Yes.
And that kick doesn't warrant any feedback or wanting to revenge.
Wow. Yeah.
So that's the reason why some of the people, when they attack God and God doesn't respond, they must understand God's criteria. It means you are not normal according to God. Because if you are normal, He will chastise you. That's according to Scripture.
Wow. Yes.
So when you keep on doing it and you keep on doing it and there is no response and God is not responding to you, it's a message back to you that you're still young.
Yes.
You're still young.
Okay, they are back. Aye! This Makandiwa, I like the way he talks. He's very confident. He's confidently saying rubbish.
And he was very quiet. He was taking his lines
one by one. They not put
step
that music on that so that people would think that he's making sense. That man is not saying, "Oh, sense, Papa." Sense,
he say, "No child is childish."
No child is childish. Yes, Papa.
See, listen.
Yes, Papa.
Even I don't want to.
No child is childish. It looks like something Buhari will say.
In vision.
Not that Buhari, your own.
I don't forget. I swear, well, that's true.
No child is childish. No adult is adultish.
Adultish. It's not adulthood. No mama or no Hollywood or Bollywood.
Because they put childish, there's no word as adultish.
It's if it's not adultish, it is childish. Everything will go with dish.
Okay.
If they know dish, you cannot.
So Makandiwa said the reason he did not respond
is maturity.
It's maturity, and because if a 6-year-old child kick you, the kick will not be painful. That means J. Israel is a child. He's a 6-year-old child.
They
are children.
At the age of 34 and 40,
they are children. Makandiwa, you say if a 6-year-old boy kick you, nothing will happen. So set your balls down.
Your boss.
Your blockers. Your blockers. Let a 6-year-old boy kick you on your blockers. Don't say 6 2 say
that one is adultish. Let a 3-year-old come close to you
and kick
and
you
give
on your blockers. Let's see if that will not be something you will write. Because you are saying, and this Malu beside you is saying, yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
You are right.
You are right. This man is old enough to be Makandiwa's father.
They are saying.
If this man is not, they are the same age, and he's shouting, Papa. Just me, you can see the annoyance.
No, it's just that some people, some followers. They follow people. I don't know where the person is taking them to. I don't know what is always giving them. I don't know the plan he has for them. So these people are very matured enough to know what is right and what is left. If you don't know your left, you know your right. You understand? Call left here, right here. You should know the direction you have to follow. Don't follow somebody that say is a matured man, but look at rubbish that he's doing. Silently, now say these people, the boy and girl are in trouble.
You call them children. The girl you call a child gave you $1 million.
$1 million.
You collected $1 million.
Can a child give you? She the way they job born. 5 years or 10 years give you $1 million.
You are calling her 6-year-old. She gave you $1 million. You collected it on him.
$1 million.
Inside you still chop her pekus. You know that he chopped her pekus.
I'm not dead.
And you have been chopping other girls' pekuses.
Big time, chopping back to back.
And those girls too, they are children.
Yes,
that means you are a pedophile.
Yeah, Lilo.
You are chopping a child, a 6-year-old Mekus, while collecting money from the 6-year-old.
Yes.
That makes you, Uncle Makandiwa, a pedophile.
A pedophile.
You have to think before you come outside and talk. Just because you are a man of God or you self-acclaimed man of God does not mean anything you say.
So it
makes sense.
Does it mean that the way he responds, he shows maturity? Is it that because he was taking it slow?
That is because he's talking small.
He's not rushing, not shouting.
That's why
and he's very cool and calm. That's the maturity.
That's why he's matured. Because he's talking small.
Oga, Oga, maturity is when children are talking, you silent.
Both J Israel, both Blessing, both Ubat Angel, all of you.
Look out.
You are all the same. Your brain has bongbolo.
All of you.
Bongbolo cigar. Your brain has gone haywire. 6-year-old kick you. Rubbish. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Don't forget, for a token fee, you can have your product on our table like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LaughMayor, and follow him on Instagram at John Joshua Comedian, and follow us on all our social media handle at Ninjas Craziest. And don't forget to click the
justification bell icon.
That is the one you will like. Thank you very much.